Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to be working on this 6th gen Camaro Z01, and what we have for it is this kit from Mighty Mouse Solution. It's this piece here. So basically what this does is it turns your regular Gen 5 catch can to a Gen 5 Plus, which improves the efficiency of the catch can. And we also got these fittings. This is for the clean side, and this is for the dirty side of the can. Then it has these two plastic tools so we won't damage the finish on the can. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this hose off right about here, as well as on this 90 fitting back here, since we're gonna use these new fittings. And then remove the plastic piece that's down here so we can slide the can out and install this kit. Okay, so I was actually wrong. I'm gonna remove this real quick. And this is the side that comes from underneath the blower, which is gonna stay with the 90 fitting that's already on there. And then for the clean side, which goes to the intake, that's where this fitting goes in. It has a check valve, so it only goes out, but if you blow in, it'll block the air from going back into the can. And then this second fitting goes onto this one, and then this side goes to the hose. So this whole piece comes off. Use our tool. This is what comes out. And then remove this side as well. Then we're going to use this tool to remove the top off. And this comes off. That stays in there. Then our new piece goes in here. So this piece has 3 sides to it: the dirty side and then 2 clean sides. The dirty side is the side that comes from the engine, and then the clean side goes to your intake. So it has 2 clean sides because you could rotate it in here if you're going to use this side for your clean side, or if you want to use this side for your clean side, you know, you could rotate it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep this as the dirty side, and then this as the clean side, since the intake is on this side. So we're gonna push it down with our hand. Once the hole lines up, we're gonna insert this fitting for the dirty side. And we're gonna run it down all the way. Okay, and this side for the clean side. We're gonna take this fitting off. Okay. We're gonna get this in here so I can push the new piece down a little bit. Once this is all the way down, we're gonna tighten these 2 fittings. So you have to get it pretty snug. It just kind of just locks in there. And then we can run these fittings down some more. These also go in pretty snug. And this is where the plastic piece was removed to slide the can out of the bracket. So we're gonna install this once the can is back in its place. And we're gonna install this on the hose, and then once it's in the car, we're gonna put it back on here. So now this is ready to be reinstalled in the car. So let's take it over there and put it back in the bracket. This line goes back on right here. So that's a size 17 for that fitting. And then we're gonna insert this fitting onto this hose. Okay, now that the hose is all the way in, we're gonna put it back on the can. Also use the 17. And then we're gonna tighten this Allen bolt. And as well as your drain hose. Don't forget to route it. Gonna lay it here for now. Okay, so that's it for this little install video. Real simple, real easy to do. Once again, this is our clean side, which goes to this plastic piece right here. And then this is our dirty side back here, which comes from underneath the blower. And that's basically it. Make sure you get your fittings right, and you should be good to go. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at @Yonke_OXC Films. I'll leave that in the description down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.